So today a new vlog. I'm gonna be riding with this bike, with the belt kit and this little guy right here. So the goal today is to check the path tuning, to check the torque sensor response in the climbing situations. Yeah, and enjoy the winter sun. Alright, let's get riding. As always, as I do this kind of testing, the goal is to ride without the throttle, just using the pass, and that allows to get the proper tuning of the pass sensor to ride anything without touching the throttle, basically. So last week we were in a big show near Lyon, where we had some test rides of the bikes, and this bike now has 140 kilometers with this display and another 30 or so with another display. So now climbing in mode 2 with 1000 watts of motor power. As you may have noticed at the beginning of this video, I'm also riding with another shock. This was sent to us by Olins for some testing, so we'll see how it goes. So the last time I came here, it was full of branches. It was basically impossible to ride. So let's see today how it looks. So it's been pretty much cleared up, which is a very nice thing. Still not using the throttle, everything with the torque sensor. It goes right when you step on the pedal, and when you stop pedaling it stops immediately. Here you can hear the belt making a little bit of noise. Alright, let's try downhill with this shock. Nice. This is running a lower spring rate than the stock LMX 64 because I'm quite a lightweight rider. Well, that's pretty good. Nice. Wow. That is some heavy climbing. 33 kilometers an hour in the climb. Nice. What a beast. So great to come up here and see the Alps. Of course with the GoPro you cannot see. I think like winter is over in here. maybe I'm wrong, but I mean, time for riding. So this system so far has been working very well. It's an absolute dream to ride. I must say that this little guy is working pretty well. Can I really tell the difference from the stock shock? I'm not really sure, but for sure the spring rate is more suited for me, for my weight. So that makes a big difference, I think. And absolute dream to ride in these conditions. So today I am also testing some cranks from Micranda. Here you can see the cranks. It's a brand from Portugal, and they make some nice cranks in all sorts of sizes. So you could get shorter cranks and they totally fit the bike. It fits pretty damn well. So if you want some shorter cranks, we will have a solution about that, which is a good thing, because for some riders maybe some shorter cranks will lead for some less rock strikes and so on. So yeah, it makes a good option to fine-tune your ride. So what has been happening with LMX since the last vlog? We were on the big show, as I said before. It was for all kind of two-wheelers, so motorcycle, bicycle, and we had some very great feedback and a lot of test rides. So this way is one of the best way to come back to the workshop with some nice riding in the woods. I cleared some of the way, but I'm not sure the rest has been cleared yet. So let's see about that. That was pretty sick. Alright, seems to have been cleared. Woo! Nice! And now finding some light again. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little less constructed than before. I need to prepare maybe what I want to say every time, because I get carried away and I ride the bike, and with the emotion when you're riding, it's quite hard to talk about sensible things like production, like new updates and all of those things. I think I got a little carried away riding and having fun. So I hope you still enjoyed the video for today, and have a good day, have a good evening, have some fun. Yeah, bye bye. Woo!